Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 3T10 and let me share with you how to manage Google accounts. So basically how to add it and how to remove it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the accounts. Of course, as you can see here, we've got whole Google section and we can add or remove a Google account using it, obviously. But to be honest, I personally prefer to do it using this section. So let me enter it. And as you can see here, we've got our previously added Google account. Of course, we can add another. So let's start this whole operation with adding the account. Let's tap on Add Account. Choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. So we can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. And now we have to enter the passwords, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can and you should read them. Just tap on it and here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Okay, and as you can see, our account has been immediately added to this device. Of course, you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. But be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Alcatel 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.